Hello friends, welcome back to MDin Vlog. I am Moitin Gutti from Tinsukia. This is a small video of my evening walk on Sunday in the fields, the beautiful fields of Tinsukia. Hello friends, good evening. So this is Sunday 7th of July and I am going for a small walk. The weather is quite pleasant here. It's not raining, not very humid. Usually here in Assam during this July-August month, if it's not raining, the humidity will be very high. But today the humidity is okay. The place is full of mud. Very difficult to walk over here. See, I will show you something. Here. This plant, this is pudina. Pudina or mint. You have a lot of this here. This is mint. Growing right near my house where I am staying. You have to just pluck it and use it. हेलो आओ आओ जाएगा इधर we have company. This dog is going to accompany me, you think. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम विवेक बोरा। आप लोग आइए, मेरा कुटी सर का सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, लाइक कमेंट शेयर कर दीजिएगा। हम लोग का तिनसुकिया में आइए कभी घूमने के लिए, अच्छा लगेगा। मेरा साथी हम घुमाएगा पूरा तिनसुकिया। अभी कुटी सर मेरा अंकल का जैसा ही अच्छा लगता है। कुटी सर का ब्लॉग हम भी देखते हैं हमेशा। सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो कर दीजिए।
ओके, थैंक यू। तुम्हारा नंबर तो है। This railway track is going from Tinsukia towards Lido, and on the way there is Digboy, Lido, Margarita, and that is the end of the line. Actually, this was constructed by the British for tea plantation, and when they were making this railway track, they used to carry the materials on the back of elephants through the jungle, through the forest. And when these elephants are returning from the forest, and these Britishers, they see that the mud on the feet of the elephant contains oil, that is crude oil. That's the way they discovered that there is oil here in Assam, and that was more than 100 years ago. And since then there has been oil is being pumped from here. It's one of the I think Asia's oldest still pumping oil field, that is in Digboy, and the place is called Digboy because the British Aussies, they used to encourage the people working on the oil rig with Digboy, and so the place is called Digboy. And Margarita is the next town. That place got its name from a queen of Italy, because there was an engineer from Italy who constructed a railway bridge over the river there. So in order to honor him, they gave the place name Margarita. Margarita was actually the queen of Italy at the time. See, this is like some ghost house. This building, abandoned building. I don't know why it is abandoned. Like a ghost house. This is where the Bihu festival dance happened. They have not removed that pandal, that fully from the. इसका बाल क्यों गिर रहा है? डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, दवाई है इसका. हाँ. ये देखो. इसमें मच्छी है, ब्लुक ब्लुक करके आता है कभी कभी. Now we have come to the field. They have just planted the rice sapling. There are fish here. I have seen them jump. See. This is a vehicle trucking yard where they dismantle all the old vehicles. This looks like some old army surplus, army abandoned vehicle. They have brought it here. They will remove all the parts. See the lovely Assamese scenery. Assam is a beautiful place. The whole of Northeast is beautiful. I came to Assam 3 years back, and now my project, my work here is coming to an end. And pretty soon, I think within this month of July, I'll be going back to Kerala. But I'll miss this place, the beautiful scenery and the nice people that I have met. These are jamun trees, that is Nyaval Param in Malayalam. I don't know what it's called in English, but in Hindi it is called jamun. And this is a season, there are some blackberries there. I don't know what it is called in English. Hello. Hello. नहीं, नाम बोलो. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? अरे क्यों शर्मा कर रहा है?
उसका नाम है मुस्कान, इसका नाम है खुशबू, इसका नाम है पिंकी, इसका नाम है सोना, मेरा नाम है कोमल. कुनल. अच्छा, कोमल किस क्लास में पढ़ रहा है? क्लास 6 में. अच्छा, बढ़िया. क्लास 5 में. वेरी गुड. क्लास 8 में. 6 में. क्लास 3 में. ठीक है, चले जाओ. आप वॉकिंग के लिए आया? गुड, चले जाओ. Very nice place. Some bird. What is that?